Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. 2 hospitalized after 3-car crash on I-293 in Manchester. State police closed I-293 north and south at exit 5 in Manchester for several hours after a 3-car crash on Saturday morning. Officials say the incident happened around 2 a.m. 2 people were taken to the hospital, one of them with serious injuries. The crash was cleared before 6 in the morning. Police believe speed and impairment may have led to the crash, but the cause of the crash is still under investigation. And that does it for this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.